You are going to want to keep like a gallon of this citrus herb crema on hand at all times because you can use it in so many ways and it is so delicious. You can use it to balance out and brighten up the rich, deep flavors of a chili rubbed steak. It is wonderful on grilled meats like chicken, fish, or these pork chops. And you can even use it to toss into pulled pork and make like a mojo style pork you can use for Cuban sandwiches. It's super versatile and you'd be surprised how easy it is to make. Let me show you. All right, so we're gonna blend all of our ingredients together. We're gonna start out with a clove of fresh garlic, pop in a jalapeno that's had its stem and seeds removed, and then 2 green onions, just the dark green and light green parts. And I usually just chop mine up a little bit, just so that doesn't wrap around the blade when I turn the blender on, because it does have a tendency to do that if it's too long. And then I'm gonna pop in my half teaspoon of salt, and follow that up with 2 tablespoons of orange juice. And actually it looks like I might have a little bit of salt left over there, so let me make sure that ends up in the blender. Then I'm just going to juice 1 lime, and just check for seeds. If it's got seeds, make sure those are removed. Otherwise I'm just gonna juice the lime right into the blender. And to that I'm going to add 1 bunch of cilantro. Now I'm just going to use the leaves, but if you had another thing you were going to make where you needed the leaves, you can actually blend the stems into it, and the stems have really good cilantro flavor as well. I'm just going to shove those down to make sure it blends nice and smooth, and then I'm just going to top it off with my oil. And then I'm going to blend it on high until it is nice and smooth. And then I'm going to add a tablespoon of sour cream, and that sour cream will help emulsify this sauce and keep it from breaking. So I'm going to reblend it with the sour cream, and now it is done. And you can see I'm left with this beautiful green sauce that is citrusy. It has some garlic and herb flavor to it, but it is so good on so many things. Make sure you make it, give it a try. I think you will love this sauce. Now I'm going to be dropping several videos in the next month that use this sauce and actually are beautiful ways to showcase how nice this sauce is. So make sure you like and subscribe and turn on notifications so that you don't miss those videos. They're a great way to see this sauce in action.